To replace the seat and kickboard assembly on the Rest Easy bifold sofa, first remove any loose pillows or other unsecured items from the sofa. Standing in front of the sofa and facing it, firmly grasp the seat and kickboard assembly. Pull it upward and towards you until it fully unfolds into a flat sleeping platform. Locate the 4 nuts securing the seat and kickboard to the mechanism frame. Be advised that the fold-out mechanism is under tension and removal of the cushions may allow the assembly to retract unintentionally. It is recommended to have a second person apply pressure down on the bed to prevent this while working on the sofa bed. It's recommended to mark the position of the nuts so you can install the seat and kickboard in the exact same place. Repeat this process for the opposite side. Locate and remove the 4 half-inch nuts securing the seat and kickboard to the mechanism frame. The seat and kickboard can now be removed. To install the seat and kickboard, place it onto the mechanism frame and reattach the nuts previously removed in the marked locations. Hand tighten the nuts to avoid cross-threading. Complete the seating using a ratchet to snug the nuts without over-torquing. Repeat this process for the opposite side. Then lift the foot of the bed and push it towards the headboard until the unit is fully retracted. Once the bed is closed, return the pillows to their original position to restore the sofa seating area.